Okay boys, today we are driving at night, and at night driving is dangerous very much.
Hello?
Tank is full. We are going Ras Al Khaimah.
Feeling. Brother, who cares?
Who cares, brother? Who cares? The ISO is 100 to 1600, 1/100 of shutter speed, normal color, normal wide angle, and we are going on in speed limit. Sheikh Zayed will be our destination. This is a, what do you call, Honda Civic. I said Civic and the Siri pops up. Honda Civic 2020. Tomorrow I will go pick up another car. Now I will have two of these cars in the parking tomorrow. I'll take the taxi, go to the showroom. I'll pick up the other car, the classic of the classic, and then I will drive it. Drive it to.
Pick me up.
Where will I drive it to? He said it will be ready by 12. There is no Burger King at Jumeirah Road.
You want?
Where is it?
We can search for a new one.
Very good road maneuvers. The handling is good. Suspension and the brake is perfect.
Perfect.
Burger King on my right.
You like Paknar ba?
There is zero pick on this thing. Talk or whatever you call that. The best part is the road. Oh, look at this. Nice road, no bumps, no nothing. 40 limit, 60 limit. Good life. This is Satwa still?
Yeah.
Eat and drink is there on the left. I found this button today. You hold the brake and you let go from there if you are at the signal or somewhere. I was just pressing it all the time before. Now hold again, press, and it will release the brake and you can go. This is G-Wagon parking. All G-Wagons are here in this parking all the time. Go gadget.
Go gadget.
What's that? That small thing.
E-bike.
No, it's on the road. So it has a clearance license, number plate on it, and it's fast though.
It's fast.
Oh my God! He changed the lane. He's very fast. Maafi mushkil. Oh, there is so many things here.
Yeah, Blocked and Firefly, Jiragarachi, Biksuba, Basket Rollins.
Yeah, well, go through here. Maybe there is parking.
Ayun, the hardest is there.
Left or right?
Maybe there is park.
KFC, Hardee's,
Pizza Hut.
and CLS 500. Hopefully I will not touch the corner. What's that? Truck in front of truck? Oh, this is the same car, but look at this. I don't get it. It's not fast. Why people do this stuff with these cars? It's not fast enough to put the spoilers on. Wow. Grape. I will sacrifice my life for Pakistan.